If you want to enable emojis on the keyboard of your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General Management. Now from here just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now just scroll down and make sure you enable the toggle for Keyboard Toolbar. Now after you enable this option, then go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your tablet. And after you do that, you will find the toolbar over the keyboard. Now in the toolbar, just tap on the emoji icon. If you cannot find the emoji icon in your toolbar, then tap on the three dots over here and drag the emoji option to the toolbar. Then go back. Now just open the keyboard one more time and you will find the emoji icon on your keyboard. Just tap on the emoji icon and you will open the emoji section of your keyboard, just like that. And this is how you can enable emojis on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.